welcome to Math 7. My name is Mrs. Brahani, or you can call me Mrs. B, whichever one works better for you. I'm going to keep this real short and simple. I just want to show you guys just a handful of things around our Math 7 page that will help you on your first day and as you get into your first week. So first of all, if we look into if you found this video, you already found the class announcements, which is right smack dab in the middle of the page. And you can check your class announcements at least. Actually, the best would be every day, because that's where I'll tell you important things like, oh, you missed an assignment, or oh, here's something really important for the day, or just those little tidbits that maybe don't go out in an email, but you do need to stay up to date on those class announcements. Off to the left-hand side of the screen, I don't know if you can see my cursor, but off to the left-hand side of the screen, you will see class plan. And this is where you can check to see what's coming next in your classes, and also what am I supposed to be doing today. And so you can see the next 2 weeks usually on what is happening in class through your class plan. So that's a good place to check if you want to know what's coming up, or maybe like if you're going to miss a day and you want to do the work ahead of time or something like that. Class plan. Now, oops, got a little notification there. Now, if we look up to the top of the screen, we have two blue bars that are really important. The one at the very top says class home, plan, content, progress, grades, tools, and that has some more stuff on it. And so the most important things for you are plan, because we already talked about that one. You can click it on the left or up on the top, plan. That tells you what's coming. Content is a good way to get extra practice, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. And then grades is where you go to see your grades, which is one of the top questions from students, like, what's my grade? Well, this is where you go. You go to the grades tab. It will tell you what your grade is in math class, and it will tell you your individual grades on all the different assignments. Now, so you can go there to see your grade, and also if you want to redo an assignment, that's where you go to do it again. So if you got a B, but you really wanted to get an A, you can click that, and you can try it again, and let's say you score a C. Don't worry, it keeps the first one. It'll keep the highest grade. It'll keep the B. So you can try it as many times as you want. I don't have any cutoffs until you get the grade that you want to get, and it only counts your highest score. Grades tab. That's where you go to try that stuff. And then lastly, we're going to talk about content. Content, you can click using the content word at the top, but also if you click on this blue bar across, it has these big chunky things. So this is also your class content. And start here is the very first thing that you want to click. So we're going to go ahead. I have a toddler. You guys will learn that soon. But anyways, we're going to click Get Started, and this is where we're going to start with our class content. So I'm going to let that load. I've clicked it. My computer's just as slow as most of yours. So here we are. Start here. So if you look down, teacher contact information, I'm going to go ahead and give that a click. And you soon get to meet my 3-year-old. Do I need my hair styled? Go ahead. All right, so now we're in teacher contact information, and you can see my name, my email address, my phone number, and a little bit extra stuff in there for you. I might make that a little bigger for you guys so that you can read it a little better, but that's where you can find that, and I'm going to go back. Now we're going to go back to content. All right, so we're in content, and this is the same thing you get if you click the content up at the top. So if you click that content at the top, this is what you get. And now, this is where you go. Like, if you look on the left, you can see expressions and problem solving. If you want some extra practice, you feel free to click these things. Now, these won't be required. I will give you all of your required work in class. But if you want extra practice on the order of operations, then you can click these right here. So you can click practice, review, that kind of stuff. All right, so if you guys have any other questions as you are starting, oh, she's trying to brush my hair. If you guys have any other questions as you are starting up on these first few days of school, don't hesitate to give me an email or a phone call. I am here to answer your questions. If there's anything I left out, I would love to talk to you. And other than that, I hope to see you guys soon. And whoops, got one more notification. I hope to see you guys soon on the first day of school. And I will see you guys in the Class Connect. Until then, I'm Mrs. Brahani, or Mrs. B, getting my hair brushed by the toddler. It's painful. But now I will see you later. Bye, guys. Do you want to say bye? Well, since you're in my video anyways, do you want to say bye? Bye. So professional. Bye. Come on higher. Say bye. There we go. Hopefully the last cameo for a while. Bye, guys.